Hello everyone, I'm Aradhna Soni from Sage University, Bhopal. Today we're talking about the digital computer fundamentals. So let's start. What is digital computer fundamental? Digital computer fundamental, a typical digital computer system has four basic functions element. First is input output equipment, second is main memory, and third is control unit, and fourth and last is arithmetic logic unit. Any of a number of device is used to enter data and program instruction into a computer and to gain access to the result of the processing operation. This is known as digital computer fundamental. And here we discuss about the number system, binary number system, digital number system, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system, and octal number system. So discussed and move on. So first of all, we discuss the number system in digital electronics. So first is, what is number system? So in digital electronics, the number system is used for representing the information. The number system has different bases and the most common of them are the decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. The base of radix of the number system is the total number of digit used in the number system. Suppose if the number system representing the digit from 0 to 9, then the base of system is the 10. So this is the basic definition of number system. And here we go. Types of number system. So types of number systems, first is four basically types. First is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, or hexa number system. And we discussed number system. First is number system, and it's categorized into four parts. First is decimal number, second is binary, third is octal, and fourth is hexadecimal. So decimal number system base is 10 and its range 0 to 9. Binary number system, its base 2 and range 0 to 1. Octal number system, its base 8 and range 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number system, its range 16 and its vary 0 to 9, and after 9 its vary 0 to its vary A to F. So it's vary 0 to 15. Okay, so move forward and let's discuss one by one the types of number system. The first type is decimal number system. The number system is having digit 0 to 9. This number system is known as decimal number system because total 10 digits are involved. The base of the decimal numbers system is 10. So this is the definition of decimal number system. And if you talk about the binary number system, so binary number system in this modern computer do not process decimal number. They work with another number system known as binary number system, which use only two digits 0 and 1. The base of binary number system is 2 because it was only two digits 0 and 1. The digit electronic equipments work on the binary number system, and hence the decimal number system is converted into binary system. So this is the binary number system, and here the table of binaries and number system 0 to 15. So we represent the binary number system one by one. First of all, we discuss the 1. So 1 is the decimal, and after that we if you write if you want to write in a binary, so its first unit is represented is 2 to power 1, 2 to power 2, 2 to power 3, and 2 to power 4. So this is represented the powers of this location is represent of the power. Here the table of binary number system, and this is octal and this is hexadecimal. And if you talk about the octal number system, octal number, the base of the number system is equal to the number of digit used, that is the decimal number system, the base is 10, while for the binary system the base is 2. The octal system has the base of 8, it use 8 digit 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number, this number are used extensively in microprocessor work. The hexadecimal number system has base of 16 and hence it consists of the following 16 number of digits 0 to F. So this is the whole process we discussed about the number system. So I hope you all are like my videos, and if you want to watch more and more videos, so uh, keep watching and keep like. Thank you for watching.